The frozen frontier. At the edge of the earth lies a kingdom of silence, Antarctica, a land where the horizon vanishes into white eternity, and the air itself feels ancient. Here, 80% of the planet's fresh water sleeps beneath a shroud of ice, locked away for millions of years. No trees, no cities, no reptiles nor amphibians. Only wind, snow, and the faint echo of human footsteps along the most desolate frontier on Earth. Yet beneath this vast frozen desert lies something extraordinary. A world unseen, pulsing quietly beneath the ice. A lake buried in time. In 1996, scientists drilling near the Russian Vostok station made an astonishing discovery. Beneath nearly 4 kilometers of ice, radar revealed the presence of a colossal lake, one larger than the state of Connecticut, sealed away from sunlight for millions of years. They named it Lake Vostok. Inside this isolated abyss, temperatures hover at -89 degrees Celsius, and the pressure would crush most life. Yet, against all odds, microbial DNA was found. Organisms that shared less than 90% similarity with anything known on Earth. These microscopic survivors suggest evolution never stopped here. It merely adapted to a world without sun. Lake Vostok's discovery reshaped our understanding of life's resilience and hinted that similar environments, perhaps under the ice of Jupiter's moon Europa, might harbor their own alien oceans. Rivers in the dark. The ice sheet of Antarctica is not solid. It breathes. Beneath its crushing weight, water flows through hidden channels, feeding a network of subglacial rivers and lakes. Scientists have mapped nearly 400 of these secret reservoirs, each with its own ecosystem, sealed in perpetual darkness. Some drain and refill cyclically, shifting the continent's surface by meters. Others remain still and ancient, untouched since long before humankind evolved. It's a reminder that even under 2 miles of ice, the planet's heartbeat continues. Blood falls and other wonders. In the McMurdo dry valleys, where snow rarely falls and no rain has touched the ground for nearly 2 million years, a glacier bleeds. A rust-red torrent seeps from the Taylor Glacier, staining the white ice like a wound. Scientists call it blood falls. Its color comes from iron-rich brine emerging from a subglacial reservoir. Salt water so dense it remains liquid in the coldest conditions on Earth. Within it live ancient microbes that thrive without sunlight or oxygen, feeding on iron and sulfur. Nearby, Don Juan Pond never freezes, its waters 10 times saltier than the Dead Sea. It is proof that where chemistry allows it, life will always find a way. The Hidden Mountains. Radar imaging has uncovered a secret range of mountains buried beneath the East Antarctic ice sheet. The Gamburtsev subglacial mountains. Larger than the Alps and as sharp as if carved yesterday, these peaks remain unseen, preserved under 3 kilometers of ice. Scientists believe these ancient mountains helped seed the first ice sheets millions of years ago. Now they stand entombed, a ghost range that shaped the continent and whispers of Earth's geological past. The fire below, Antarctica, may be a kingdom of ice, but beneath it, fire stirs. Dozens of volcanoes lie hidden under the ice, some still active. The most famous, Mount Erebus, towers above the Ross Sea, a volcano crowned with a lava lake that glows even as the snow falls around it. These geothermal hotspots melt the ice from below, feeding subglacial lakes and altering the flow of glaciers. Antarctica's frozen shell, it seems, is built atop a restless heart of stone and fire. The deepest point beneath the glaciers of Marie Birdland lies the Bentley Subglacial Trench, the deepest land point on Earth not filled by an ocean. It plunges more than 2.5 kilometers below sea level, a shadowed basin of ancient rock and sediment. The trench is a reminder that Antarctica hides entire landscapes, valleys, ridges, and plains unseen by any eye. As satellites map its contours, they reveal a continent alive with geological secrets. Holes in the ice. In 2017, satellites captured a massive opening in the Antarctic ice, a polynya the size of Ireland. For the first time in decades, warm ocean water had risen from the depths, melting the surface ice from below. Scientists believe these vast holes form when powerful cyclones churn the Southern Ocean, pulling up warmer waters. Some warn this process could accelerate ice melt and alter ocean circulation worldwide. Others see it as a vital exchange, a breath between the ocean and the sky. Either way, these holes are the scars of a changing world, recorded on the skin of the ice. Echoes of the past, warnings of the future. Deep radar scans have revealed 3 massive cratons buried beneath East Antarctica, ancient fragments of the supercontinent Gondwana. They once joined with India, Australia, and Africa in a world that no longer exists. Today, Antarctica holds the memory of those vanished lands, written in stone beneath ice. But its future may depend on us. As the climate warms, ice shelves like Thwaites and Pine Island retreat, threatening to raise global sea levels by meters. The same continent that guards our fresh water could one day flood our shores. The living ice. Antarctica is more than a frozen wasteland. It is a mirror, showing us both where Earth came from and where it is going. Beneath its cold silence, rivers flow, volcanoes breathe, and ancient life persists. It is a place where the impossible becomes ordinary, where the limits of life and the endurance of time meet. Here on Planet Unveiled, we explore these hidden frontiers, not just to uncover the unknown, but to remember how much of our world still waits to be discovered.